Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect Printful to your Wix website, right? So first of all, you need to have your Wix account already, and you need to be logged into Wix. And once you do that, then you need to go back on Printful and create an account if you haven't already. And if you have a Printful account, just log in. And after you log in, then on the top right corner, you should see a little profile icon and your name here. So press on that, go to dashboard. And once you are on the back end of the Printful, you need to go to stores on the left side. And then you need to press choose platform here and press Wix to connect. And then scroll down, and as you can see here, there is a basically button that says connect to Wix. So press on that. And we need to wait for a few seconds again here. And then press agree and add. We need to wait for a bit, and then press continue here. Press confirm connection, connect store to my email here. And now if we go on the stores here, we can see that my Wix site is connected to Printful, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.